Boat is moving with a velocity of 3 I cap plus 4 j cap with respect to the ground. The water in the river is moving with a velocity of -3 and -4 with respect to the ground. What is the relative velocity of the boat with respect to the river? So basically we are looking at, we don't need to write north, south, east, west over here. But what we need is a grid system or grid and also the river. So this is the river. Okay, so we have the boat. So the boat is moving with the speed of, okay guys, we can't have the river like that actually. So the boat is moving with the velocity of 3 and 4. Somewhere here actually it would be something like this. This would be 3 I cap plus 4 j cap. And this is with respect to the ground, that is. And the river, say if you think about it, it's literally the opposite of it. With the same magnitude. This is -3 I cap minus 4 j cap. So basically you can think of the question in this manner, guys. Say you have a river like this. This is only for our understanding. You have a river flowing this way. Basically the boat is going this way. So if we happen to say a log or a piece of paper or a leaf, if it's flowing this way, and if there is an ant on that, so this ant will be looking at the boat, and the question is how, not there though. So with respect to this ant, or this ant looks at this boat, and how does it look like? How fast are they going apart? That's the question. A leaf on the river will be flowing down the river because river velocity is down. It's given to be this way. And the boat is going opposite direction. Now we have to figure out if this, from this point of view of ant, what is the velocity of this boat is the question. So this is your velocity of river and this is the velocity of the boat. That's it. What is the relative velocity of boat with respect to the river? Working, actually everything is given. Velocity of boat with respect to river is velocity of boat with respect to the ground minus velocity of the river with respect to the ground. So this will be 3 I cap plus 4 j cap minus of -3 I cap minus 4 j cap. So when we do add this, we'll get 6 I cap plus 8 j cap. That's it. Meter per second. So if this ant, for the ant itself, if the ant is grounded per se, if it's not moving, at least from its perspective, it's not moving. The boat is moving away with a speed of 6 I cap plus 8 j cap. It makes sense, right? Both are in the same direction, just that they're going away. So it will be double. So for the ant, if it's here, the boat will be here. So the pace at which they're moving, it is increasing double of whatever it is actually moving. Right? I hope this made sense. All this should be very simple for you guys by now. To imagine, at least. You are in that grade that picturing this should be easy.